I absolutely love Canva and I literally use it for everything. It's a super helpful tool for business owners for getting that beautiful professional look and feel. I'm giving you some ideas on different ways you can use it to level up your business content. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. The first thing that you can create on Canva for your business: memes. Memes will always be in. There are different layouts to memes, and memes kind of have evolved over the past 10 years from Facebook to Instagram and now to TikTok. Canva is a really simple way to create these easily, and you can also batch create them to save time in your content creation process. You can either do video memes and add text overlay, and they also have a bunch of meme templates that you can literally customize to fit to your niche, tweak to your business, and whatever concept you're trying to go for. And you can literally create this in 5 minutes. Number 2 is blog post graphics. Now I'm talking about the cover image of your blog, if you have one. This also goes hand in hand with Pinterest graphics. Stay on brand and create eye-catching Pinterest blog posts, get you more traffic to your site, attract your target audience with visuals that they just can't resist. And this can also be batch created to cut down your content creation time. Canva also has a bunch of templates for these as well. Number 3 is email newsletters. You should definitely have an email list if you have a business. Email lists are a great way to nurture the relationship with your audience, and you can send them literally anything you want. There is no algorithm to abide by, and you can promote your offers and your business as much as you want. I know that email service providers have their own built-in design studios like MailChimp or Flowdesk, but I'm definitely a Canva stan, and creating my email newsletters on Canva is so much easier for me than going into that campaign builder on MailChimp. All of your content is already there, your brand kit is already there, and they also have a bunch of templates on email newsletters that you can tweak that already have a professional feel. All you have to do is add in your information, add in your offers, add in your media, and you can go ahead and send it. Number 4, YouTube thumbnails. If you have a YouTube channel, you can definitely use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails, increase your click-through rate. You can create these in literally 5 minutes as well. Number 6 is mockups. These are basically templates that have a professional looking feel, including iPad green screens, cell phone frames. Sticking your product into a frame of an iPhone will definitely boost the professional aesthetic of your business page and your content. A couple things that you can create on Canva that we probably already always use: Instagram story posts, Instagram feed posts, Pinterest infographics, even use Canva for admin media. I like to use Canva to share my proposal with clients, my service brochures, professional looking documents that are on brand with very valuable information that my clients need to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. It really does help out my channel. If you'd like to see more content like this, I definitely suggest subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!